Yes.
Yes, I did it. If I did it, you will. Never give up is the key to success. Even when everything seems to be against us. Landscape photography is not just about capturing snapshots. It's a real passion that drives us to explore the world, capture its ephemeral beauty, and to share our vision with others. When the weather conditions are not ideal, or when we encounter physical or technical struggles in reaching the place we want to photograph, it can be tempting to give up. Pushing our own limits is a game changer. I take you to the Icelandic highlands. This is precisely one of the places where we do not control everything, especially the weather. But it's also a place where the chances of improving conditions are higher than elsewhere.
Hi, good morning or good evening, wherever you are. As you can see, we are again in Iceland, which is my favorite destination. If you are following my channel, you should know that. For those who don't know my channel, I have like 40 videos all about photography in Iceland, the most famous places, also a lot of content about the highlands. And that's where we are now. We are really in the center of the country, far from everywhere. It's a remote area, really remote. We are close to a glacier tongue, which is part of the Vatnajökull, which is the biggest glacier in Europe. We are exploring around this area, which is called Kverkfjöll. There are some nice spots for photography around. We are in this huge area around the Askja volcano. For sunset, we're gonna make a hike on the mountain, but I saw when I arrived there was snow on the top, so I'm not sure if we are able to go on the top, but we'll see. So I made it halfway to the place where I want to go. I will show you in a second, but I'm not sure I will finish this hike, because first of all the most difficult part is yet to come, and as I'm watching in the distance I feel that the shapes of the mountains will not be enough visible. All the way up there in the center of the video you can see this pinnacle, and I would like to use this as a foreground and to shoot in that direction where you have all the shapes of mountains. The clouds are pretty low and I'm not sure it's gonna be worth the hike. So I go ahead and I think about later. The weather isn't getting better. I think I have to turn back. I was almost on the top, but the scenery you see in the far background was supposed to be almost the main subject of my picture. I think it's not a good timing. Anyway, as we are in Iceland, I will wait at least for 20-30 minutes. So I was almost at the top. Top is over there, but I'm gonna wait here, because if the rain is hitting hard, I will have to run back.
Yes.
Guys, I'm so happy. It's incredible, because I was already on my way down because it was raining and get darker and darker, and I don't want to put myself into an unsafe situation. While I was hiking down, I saw just a small clearing in the sky. Okay, typical Icelandic weather. So I returned back and I made the last 500 meters almost scrambling in the snow. It was just amazing. I don't know how I will manage to go down, but anyway, I get to the top and I was awarded with that incredible light. This would have been a huge disappointment, walking down and watching the light going on. And I'm so glad I changed my mind, I don't know, 6, 7, 8 times. Decided to stay, decided to go down, to go up, and wow, that was a strong moment. I keep scouting in the East Fjords in the last days, trying to find some new compositions, because the eastern Iceland has not been that much photographed so far, and there's a lot of potential. It's just beautiful. You can see the fjord behind me.
The place has become very popular, too much for my taste. Surrounded by the crowd, I lose my connection with the elements, and consequently, my creativity as well. Let's go back to the highlands to find a little solitude. But now it's time to join the workshop that I'm leading with my friend August. We bring people to the most spectacular and photogenic places in the highlands. More details are available on my website if you'd like to join. Just check out the link in the description below.
He's like crazy. I'm sure he lived here 200 years ago. That was his cabin. No? Absolutely.
Photography, yeah. Ah, okay. You too, you like abstract photography. You don't like the grand vistas?
No, I love it. I love texture.
Yeah.